So did you know if I was a research physician and I was going to publish clinical data, let's say about a new drug, what I would have to do actually is usually work with a group of physicians. And the data that I would get that would be funded typically by the pharmaceutical companies, I would not always have complete access to. I would get only what the pharmaceutical company gives me access to. So to begin with, I have a limited view of the data that's available. But here's the crazy part is that a lot of times once that data has been analyzed and now we've got to write the paper, did you know that actually as the physician, I'm not actually writing the paper. Typically what happens is pharmaceutical companies who fund these clinical trials, they will get a medical writing company, freelance medical writers, a medical education agency, and they will actually be the ones that write up the article and submit it to the journal. That's right. So a lot of times the actual researchers, the physicians, they're not even writing the article themselves. They get writers. Sometimes they don't have a very extensive medical background to write up the paper and submit that paper for review to these well-known prestigious journals. Now, who are the prestigious journals? There's an international committee of medical journal editors. So it's called ICMJE. And this is kind of like the cabal of all the different medical journals that are out there. And some of the ones you might have heard of, for example, Annals of Internal Medicine, the Lancet, New England Journal of Medicine, JAMA, etc. Nature. These are all part of this group of elite, prestigious medical journals, scientific journals. But where do they make most of their money? Again, like I mentioned in the last video, advertising and selling back reprints. Who are the primary advertisers in these journals? Mainly they are who? Pharmaceutical companies. So, when we talk about the integrity of data and making sure that we're seeing data that's really objective and not biased, it's tough. And this is coming from someone that worked in the pharmaceutical industry. I think by and large, people in the industry try to do the right thing, but the process is kind of broken. If you like this information and you like learning more about the inside kind of scoop on the pharmaceutical industry, be sure to click the follow button below. Talk to you guys soon.